Hello everyone, welcome to another video for MRCS exam. Here the question: which cranial nerve supplies general sensation to the posterior third of the tongue? So here in the question they want to know that posterior third of the tongue supplied by which nerve? The options are facial nerve, trigeminal nerve, vagus nerve, hypoglossal nerve, and glossopharyngeal nerve. So let's see here. This is the tongue, and this is the nerve supply of a tongue. In the left side there is the motor supply, and in the right side there the sensory nerve supply. In this area we can see in the anterior two-third. From here we can see this is the anterior two-third of the tongue, and here the posterior one-third of the tongue. In anterior two-third of the tongue, general sensation and special sensation. General sensation is given by the lingual nerve, which is branch of mandibular nerve, which is branch from the trigeminal nerve. So the lingual nerve, it is a branch from the mandibular nerve, which is also branch from the trigeminal nerve. And then a special sensation, special such as the taste sensation, it is by the chorda tympani, which is branch of the facial nerve. So anterior to third, general sensation and special sensation are carried by the different nerve. General sensation by the lingual nerve, which is branch of mandibular nerve, which is branch of trigeminal nerve. On the other hand, the special sensation, that means the taste sensation, by the chorda tympani, which is branch from the facial nerve. Then posterior one third is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve, which is the ninth cranial nerve. So glossopharyngeal nerve, it supplies the posterior one third of the tongue, and extreme posterior area it is supplied by internal laryngeal nerve, which is branched from the cranial nerve 10, that is the vagus nerve. So the tongue sensory innervation receives from four nerve. In anterior two-third, two nerve, general sensation by the lingual nerve, special sensation by the chorda tympani nerve, and posterior one-third, general special sensation, it is carried out by the glossopharyngeal nerve, which is cranial nerve number 9, and extreme posterior part, it is supplied by the internal laryngeal nerve, which is branch from vagus nerve, and it also carries this both sensory and motor area. And we can see in the motor nerve, which supplies the tongue muscles, all the muscles of the tongues are supplied by the hypoglossal nerve, which is cranial nerve number 12, but the palatoglossus, which is supplied by the cranial nerve 10, vagus nerve. In this picture, we can see this is the glossopharyngeal nerve, and this glossopharyngeal nerve, it gives supply in the posterior part of the tongue here. So our final answer, it is the glossopharyngeal nerve. The glossopharyngeal nerve, it supplies the posterior one third of the tongue, and it supply both the general and special sensation, and extreme posterior by the vagus nerve, and the anterior two third general sensation by the branch from trigeminal nerve, such as from trigeminal, first of all mandibular branch, then lingual nerve, and a special sensation by the facial nerve in anterior two-third. And hypoglossal nerve, it is the motor supply of the tongue. So here the general sensation of the posterior one-third, not only the general sensation, also the special sensation is by the glossopharyngeal nerve.